Finding a decent off-road go-kart that doesn't fall apart after one ride is tough. I didn't want you wasting cash on junk, so I grabbed the top 5 options to see how they actually handle dirt, grass, and bumps. I put these through the ringer, and honestly, the results were interesting. Here are the best off-road go-karts you can get right now. Product number 1, Electric UTV 1000W48V. Starting with this electric UTV from Hover Heart. When I first assembled this, the tubular steel frame felt genuinely heavy-duty. It doesn't feel like a cheap plastic toy. It's got a roll bar and Nerf bars, which gave me peace of mind regarding safety. On the test track, that 1000-watt brushless motor is punchy. Since it's 48 volts, it runs quieter and smoother than the gas ones I've tried. The suspension is the real winner here. The 4-way shock absorbers actually soaked up the bumps in my backyard rather than shaking the rider to death. It hits about 15 mph, which is plenty fast for an 8-year-old. Plus, the parental speed control works great if you need to rein them in. If you want something electric but sturdy enough for real off-road use, this is a solid pick. Product number 2, 64cc 2-stroke gas go-kart. If you prefer the smell of gasoline, I tested this 64cc 2-stroke kart next. The build here is aggressive, heavy steel tubes and a full roll cage. What shocked me was the weight capacity. It supports up to 265 pounds, so I could actually hop in it myself without breaking it. Performance-wise, this thing rips. The 6-inch all-terrain tires dug into the sand and mud easily, and the hydraulic disc brakes are sharp, stopping on a dime. The fuel tank lasts forever, too. I got over 20 miles on a single fill. Just know it's louder than electric options. I'd recommend this for teens or adults who want raw power and speed over grass and dirt trails without worrying about charging times. Product number 3, licensed Ford F-150 Raptor. I grabbed this licensed Ford F-150 Raptor because it looks incredible. The detail is nuts, the grille, the working LED lights, even the trunk opens. It's a proper 2-seater with a 20-inch wide seat, so 2 kids can actually fit comfortably. Driving it, the dual 90W motors aren't setting speed records like the gas kart, topping out at 5 mph, but the torque is great for grass and gravel. The tires are anti-slip, and the rear shocks kept the ride smooth during my tests. The best part for parents is the remote control. I could override the driving instantly if the kids got too close to the street. It's not a high-speed racer, but if you have younger kids aged 3 to 8 who want to look cool cruising the neighborhood or yard, this Raptor is hard to beat. Product number 4, Carry UK61 Go-Kart. This Carry UK61 is a bit different because it's built for sliding. The frame feels solid with high-strength steel, but the tires are the focus here. It has slick rear tires specifically meant for drifting. I adjusted the seat, which has 3 positions, and let it rip. It's not an off-road beast for mud, but on pavement or hard-packed dirt, the drift mode is insanely fun. It hits about 8.5 mph, which feels faster when you're spinning sideways. The Bluetooth speaker is a nice touch, letting you blast music while driving. The battery lasted me about 45 minutes of hard use. It's definitely more of a crazy kart than a trail climber. If your kid loves Mario Kart and you have a flat driveway or paved area, this is going to be their favorite toy, hands down. Product number 5, 24V Kids UTV 4WD. Last on my list is this massive 24-volt UTV. The main selling point here is the powertrain. It has 4 200-watt motors, making it true 4-wheel drive. Most electric ride-ons get stuck in thick grass, but when I switched this into 4WD mode, it powered right through rough patches and small hills without hesitating. It's got a wide 21-inch seat, so it fits 2 smaller kids easily. I also liked the assembly. The steering wheel just clicked in, saving me a headache. Like the Ford, it comes with a remote for parents, which is crucial for safety. The top speed is safe, but the torque is the real story. If you live on a property with uneven terrain or lots of grass and need an electric climber that won't get stuck, this 4-motor beast is the one to get. So that's my take on the best off-road karts out there right now. Whether you need the raw speed of gas or the torque of an electric 4x4, there's something here for you. I've dropped links to all of them in the description below so you can check the current prices. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.